My love, see the way that man was rushing that chicken. As if he has never eaten chicken since he was born.
My dear, when there is money, there is life. The man was actually enjoying himself because he has money.
Hey!
So money, tell me, how was the shopping?
Hey! You see, do you know that I have never believed such food exists? Imagine the setting, the garnishing. Do you know I was eating chicken? I did not even know it was chicken until when I opened my eye. That is when I know I was using the lab. Hey, honey, it was so sweet. I enjoyed everything. The onions, the vegetable, everything was okay.
Money is speaking. Enjoy yourself. There is money.
Come to think of it, what is the secret behind this your sudden wealth?
Secret? There is no secret. It's the Lord's doing.
I know. Of course, it's the Lord's doing. There must be something.
Besides your front.
So now, you want to do makmako and shift my question. Answer me. Or... No. My husband, are you a ritualist?
What? God forbid, they can't do that.
Yahoo.
Why are you saying all this?
Then tell me, I am your wife. Tell me, what is the secret?
Because, you see,
Because what?
Because women talk too much. If I should tell you the secret now, you will tell someone else.
Hey! Only. So you're telling me now that you don't even trust your wife? No problem.
Calm down, eh? Doesn't go for that. You know I love you so much. You know you are the most beautiful girl ever. You know I can give you anything. Okay, don't worry. I will tell you the secret.
Now you're talking.
Promise to give me the secret.
I promised. See this my mouth. I will zip it. I won't tell anybody.
I want 48 million.
48 million naira pool, just like that. Oh my God!
Calm down.
I am happy. Do you know what? Let me go inside. Special dish for you.
Hey, but honey.
Hey, Amaka.
Neka, is this you?
It is me. It is the Lord's doing. As in
Amanda!
Yes, sister.
Let me shout now. Let me shout before you answer me. Bring chair for me there.
Okay.
Look at how you have very beautiful.
It's just the outside of
And you're even holding a below frame.
this one. This is my information. So technology.
What do you call it?
Flavor.
Thank you. Sit down.
Don't jam me with question. Nah. This is just the outside. Now can you go inside? You go. So how are you now?
Since we dey farm Monday to Sunday, morning and night farm. I no go talk now based on say I wait till they from the carry the old belly.
Yeah, child. Sorry. So what will I offer you?
No bother yourself. Oh my friend, something they run inside my mind everywhere wey dey worry me too much. But I don't know whether if I ask now whether they go start to dey talk.
My friend, something's the work inside your mind. I beg. I don't want to lose my friend now. So my dear, what is it?
You know say if I talk now, you go say I still dey talk. Anyway, but you know say I no sabi talk now. Na only question may I ask. This money where everybody don't hear say your husband gets well like this. I beg you fit tell me how your husband take get this kind plenty money?
My friend, it's God though. You know, my husband is a hard-working man and he can do anything. I mean anything to get money.
My dear, I know. But if you just try tell me.
I promise my husband not to open my mouth and say anything to anyone.
I talk I no talk I talk and say you and your husband be bad belle people. Say rain don't fall for on top of a house now. No come me say rain don't fall for another person house. I tell you, very soon. I say very, very soon that rain will fall for an house so you fall reach my house.
No. down.
Why they hold me?
Friend. Amelia, guys, sit down. I'll tell you, sit down. No, just sit down. So, like play, if I know you for just stand up.
What I want to do here?
No, you don't have to do that. Promise me, you will keep it a secret.
The time where you go to cheat on top your husband.
I do.
But you cheat now.
Calm down.
Don't calm down, but I don't see you cheat.
My husband told me that he won a pool game worth 48 million naira.
48?
Calm down. What's the shout? It shock you. It shock you, Abi? No shout. Okay, I'll say. Now what's happen with that?
48 million naira.
I said, don't calm now. Calm down. People will just hear you and everything. It's okay, calm down.
Sorry, my friend. Don't say I did happy for you. You don't tell me anything now.
Wait, na secret.
You don't tell me anything now.
You know, say you is a bit talk too much. Now my problem will get you.
Not me and you.
Keep am secret.
I'm for them.
Secret. Okay now, when you reach as tell your son to come and get something for
No
you.
wahala. Okay, see you later, yeah? Thank you.
You're going. Let me see you off now.
No worry. No just stress yourself. Sit down, no worry. If I just rush, then I will come myself for you, yeah?
All right. Okay. All right, my regards to your family.
Hey, thank you. My friend, go. Say you don't big finish. You come for how you say? I bet hold me. Say you don't big. What's your name?
Favor.
What a nice name. They really try you.
Na God.
When I come, they go now.
They go see Auntie Blessing.
This one Auntie Blessing. You know wow. You don't they hear of this man where they buy motor, buy car.
That man wey they throw that thing before. Happy for the man, oh.
But
Happy.
you know the secret of this thing?
Me, I don't know.
I just dey come back from my house now, and his wife tell me. My wife's man not tell anybody. But please don't say you my bosom friend now.
Yeah, in this
I will tell you. See, don't tell anybody. The wife say, my husband play pool. So you come win the pool, come get some bush. 48 million. Who tell anybody? I say you don't tell anybody. So, you shock me. As in, you just be a sit down my lazy old man will come for house. Go they follow fine work. Even if I destroy the tea, you know go play pool, win your own money. Let me just become among that. I go happy. This one, you go there as morning, afternoon, I make her they bring food, come they give her me shop. I don't know where the things are they go carry the food from. Yeah. I think they go cook for my children. No say I not see you, I not even talk to you.
We don't meet.
I not see you. Don't forget.
We don't even see each other.
My stomach.
What happened?
Just they cry for no reason.
Why they cry?
Baba, I'm hungry.
You miss it since morning and my mama never come back from market. Huh? This woman with the gossip. It's too the gossip. Huh? Since morning till now, never come back from market. When she see goat, she go talk. You see fowl, she go talk. You see ant, even the cockroach. Now gossip don't full for your head.
Papa, do you know if she's still looking for what to buy in the market?
Papa, you know you're looking for what to buy. Gossip, go gossip. I don't blame you. Like mother, like daughter.
My mother did not do anything, no, Papa.
Look at you. Papa, my mother did not do anything, no. No cry again, When my mama will come back, try and say they go back. You there?
Papa, you're going to bar. Why don't you give us the money we want to use and buy the drink so that we'll use it and feed ourselves till our mother comes back?
Yes, Papa.
You know what this one? No be your mates. They buy car, build house, buy land for their father. See you.
You, Papa, it's $10, Dangote and Adeleke. I didn't know your mate.
Yes,
So, at the top.
Why won't kill my children for me now?
6 months I send you go market and now you dey come back.
Okay, sorry, Ada, you stay this week. How with your brother go see man? Yeah? I hope your brother Basha. Check inside there. Wait first. Make sure say salt no pass the meat. Okay, trust me, Mama.
Now you dey come back from market 6 months. When you see goat, you gossip. Fowl, you gossip. Even cockroach for ground, you dey gossip.
No be say I like to gossip o. No see as I enter market buy everything finish. Now I come say now I just take style go visit my friend.
You don't gossip finish now.
I no dey gossip o. You know say something happen.
I talk am na to gossip. Wetin happen? Tell me.
Sha, my friend say man no tell anybody o. But since e be say you be my husband, I go tell you.
Wetin happen?
See, my friend tell me say your husband play pool come win. Guess how much? 48 million naira.
48 million?
I still no tell you.
48 million? See, just go prepare that food and come.
Where you want go again?
Go prepare food and come. No, say I'm hungry. Go prepare the food and come.
When I want for you, you didn't even ask me which of my friend, husband will win. You just want waka comot. Where you want go? After I go say I dey gossip.
Okay, if I don't forget, okay, which of your friend?
Now you come. My friend Neka. That's my friend where your husband dey throw dirty. You know they lazy like if I ask.
You don't come. You don't come. Who lazy?
No be me talk am o. My mama dey sharp.
All the one where are lazy there are the where you come give me
I no
this
talk
thing.
with that one, but you know say anything they do, money need to come out. No be only this.
Don't worry, just go cook and they come. And they come.
But I don't tell you anything.
What did you tell me? I don't need, what did you tell me, sir? I don't need forget. May I go see my friend?
As you dey go, make sure you carry money come back.
Okay.
The money I need to bring money.
I know say na this road where this man dey always pass. If they set trap, na here I go catch am. I will wait for am for here. My friend, how are you? I say make I wait for you for here. Because if they set trap, na this road, the trap will hold you.
You know now, this road is a palm wine road.
I know say this your palm wine where you cash and come now, when you go tap, come. You go sweep pass that one oh.
You know, not today.
I know.
Not today. You know,
that guy, that man, where be they pick that thing up and down? Where you come pick that thing for your house when you pursue am one day? That man, if you see the kind of car where that man they drive now, you see the way my pan dey, the man one push me.
No,
let me go say yesterday. The drive car, pia. There is something.
hey, I want say this one. I want tell you now. Me you keep it as a secret.
See, you know now, as of that time I won't be the follow. You know, Osama bin Laden. Where them be the pursue? Now for my house, now gotta come kill.
Osama already go run enter my own house.
You know now.
See, keep it as a secret. Well, just keep on for your brain.
Now,
I want secret to answer your name. Because see, my wife tell me say in friend, husband go pray poo. Poo
now.
say the man come chop 48 million naira. Why they shout? Now you win am.
Ma pack am first.
See,
You know Christian.
the man they chop money, they drive car where you dey see so.
48 million naira. Then we hear.
Who go hear am?
See, as you can see, this my pan wine. I won't go supply am for Arsenal bar.
You wan go Arsenal bar?
If you want, you follow me.
I go follow you.
It's a drink.
Where we dey go? This one a fresh power. This one they smack my head pan that day. Oh.
I tell you that. Not today, pan wine.
Now fresh one be this.
You know, that's the way you tell me that day, I will make you tell me today.
Now everything I will tell you. Everything I will tell you.
You know, anytime when I take this pan wine like this, even if you tell me something of 20 years, I will still remember.
So what you say? Tell me. Now everything something now you go forget. You go say Papa say tell you.
You know that, that's my business.
What business?
Please excuse me, sir. You are making noise. There are many people in this bar. Please bring down your voice.
You dey crazy? Abi the man? Look at this vagabond. See, I will do something here.
My friend, I said you always behave. What is it?
My people. Give everybody for this bar one bottle for my
Give me a body, you got money?
Okay, what you have to talk to me like this?
You got money, this America. Where we poo office 48 million naira. Yeah? You got money? Well, but go outside.
Shut up, sit down, shut up, you don't talk.
Stop there, man. No, you tell me.
Everything you don't talk.
Stop you tell me.
I cannot stand there and watch this man insult me now.
Go
I
outside.
cannot stand there and watch this man insult me.
Go outside.
Rubbish.
Go outside.
You're going.
Nonsense.
Customer, come back, please. Oh, why you do like that? Young man. Come on, what is it? Why leave my shop? Don't come here. Now you have let me to last. Now you tell me. Leave my shop. See, when I leave my shop, I say like that. I go wait for you. Leave my shop. See, no come here. Leave my shop. Now it's my number. Let me let me. Go. Wait. Now carry my bag. Carry your bottle. Carry am. Go. See, Vas-y, on. C'est pas fait, regarde. Lie down. I said lie down. Don't make a bed for you. Where are the money there?
There's no money in this house, please. There's no money.
You don't play with you. I'll find them mad.
There's no money, please.
Who's inside?
Oh, it's just my daughter, my only daughter.
Bring that daughter. Bring that daughter, come.
Please don't touch her. There's no money. There's no
See, as
money.
I dey so now, I be one kind person with that piece of wine. I really like trouble. But if you want me to give you trouble, I go give you trouble. I go waste this girl now. If you don't bring that money,
No. There's money.
Bring that money,
There's money.
Carry her. Money come. Sit down there. Inside. You shine, you. Hey, I'm going to bring that money out. Where the money? Bring that come. Oh boy. So this guy money take this house and they kind of play. Hey. You get lost. If I waste your key, move go.
Take that.
Did they hurt you? Did they push you?